In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Google Sheets. Drawing method. When you need to mark a sheet as confidential or draft without hiding the numbers underneath, this approach is quick and reliable. Google Sheets doesn't include a native watermark feature, so we'll use a drawing with word art to create a transparent label that sits neatly over your grid. Open your sheet, go to the Insert menu and choose Drawing. In the top left of the canvas, click Actions and select Word Art. Type the word or phrase you want, confidential, draft, or anything that fits your workflow, and press Enter. Now format it to behave like a watermark. Set the fill color to transparent so your cells stay visible. Change the border color to a subtle gray, or pick red if you want a clearer warning. You can tweak the font and size so it's noticeable without overpowering the sheet. Lighter grays tend to blend naturally, while stronger colors signal urgency. Choose what matches your audience. Aim for a font weight that's easy to see but doesn't compete with the numbers. To create the classic diagonal look, use the small circular handle above the text to rotate it. An angle around 30 to 45 degrees usually looks professional and keeps the label legible. When it looks right, click Save and Close. The word art appears on top of your sheet as a movable object. Drag it over your data and position it. Keep it centered for a balanced look, or place it over the specific range you want marked. Grab the corners to resize until it spans the area you want. If it feels too bold, use a lighter border color so the content remains the focus. This watermark is part of the sheet's drawings, so it stays where you place it and will print with your data. To revise wording, color, or angle later, double-click the watermark to reopen the drawing. If it ever blocks a cell, slide it aside temporarily, then drop it back into place. That's it. With a few adjustments in the drawing window, you've built a clean watermark in Google Sheets that communicates status without hiding your information.